guys, welcome, and today we will discuss a cue card of IELTS speaking. So as you know, the cue card is the long term. You will have 1 minute to make notes about the cue card, and you will have to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the most, let's say, interesting part of the speaking test. Not only because it tests your knowledge in terms of different ideas and such, but it also makes you question things. So for example, many students struggle with this part because they do not have ideas. So let's say if a student is not interested in topic of music or in topic of sports, okay, and then you have a cue card about sports or music, then they often struggle with. So I often suggest students to write down what ideas they come across daily. So for example, if students or if people in general, we often come across in our daily livelihoods about traffic, sports, food, music. These are things that we often encounter daily, right? So we must have an opinion about them. We must have an opinion about them, and therefore we can develop ideas about them. Okay. So my suggestion firstly is to develop ideas about things which you encounter daily. Okay. So let's come back to the topic again. So the question is, describe a website which helped you to do something. Describe a website which helped you, which benefited you. Okay. Now this could be any website. It could be Wikipedia, it could be YouTube, it could be any news website. Okay. Or for example, it could be a Google Scholar which has interesting medical journals, or it has scientific papers. Okay, so which site was it? You can say YouTube, youtube.com. Okay, the second question is, how did you know about it? Like, did you hear it from somewhere, or did you just find it naturally, or did your teacher tell you? So you can say through your teacher. How did it help? You learn things. So for example, it helped me in my physics exam. Why do you visit it often? Because it is very easy. Okay, so let's summarize how we are going to say things. Okay, again, describe a website which helped you to do something. In the starting, you can talk about websites. So websites are very important in today's life. So you can also describe what a website is. So a website is nothing but a collection of web pages combined, which is sent to the server by the developers, and you can see it on your desktop. Okay, the website which helped me the most is youtube.com. It was told by my teacher to visit this website as it could be very beneficial to me since I was struggling with my physics. I saw some tutorials about electromagnetic radiations on YouTube, and it helped me grasp and understand the basics of how electromagnetism works. I visit this website because it is very convenient and it has huge number of educators which provide free tutorials to its visitors. Another one you could say is Zomato. Okay, it was told by my friend. Okay, it carries lots of food vendors. Why do I visit this website? Because I'm a foodie. Okay, so another website you can say is Zomato. Zomato is a food aggregating website. How did you know about it? My friend told about this website. How it helped? It helped me a lot to find new food vendors. It helped me a lot as I could find about new restaurants that opened in my hometown. Why did you visit it often? I visit this website often as I am a foodie and I love different cuisines. Okay, so this is how you develop ideas. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button